Hi guys, Topper Chef back again. Welcome back to our channel. Today we're gonna make cilantro lime rice. Okay, so we're gonna add a usual rice recipe. It's about 2.5 cups of rice, 4 tablespoons of oil, and to this add my onion. We were trying to make a very simple rice with just cilantro and lime flavor. Here we go, we put some onion on it. Keep it simple, just onion, coriander, and lemon in this rice. To this add little ginger garlic, fresh ginger garlic chopped so you can feel the flavor of it. We're not using any paste or anything. You can smell the aroma of this. Okay, so now to this, to give the flavor to the rice, add your cilantro right here. You gotta give this flavor to the oil all the way through. And then I've taken 1 sprig of mint also. So this will go also here and give it flavor to it. It's not like something you can add later on. So you'll see the flavor once it is in the oil and sauteed with the garlic, ginger. It's already smelling of cilantro and it's really nice. So now to this we're going to add our usual recipe, which is 3 cups of water. And the lime is lime juice, freshly squeezed lime juice. And 1 tablespoon of salt. Okay, let it come to a boil. Keep it to cover, come to a boil. Okay, now the water has come to a boil, and our usual method by adding the rice to it. So this is parboiled rice and it's a long grain rice. You don't wash this. This is very nutritious rice. And I like to cook with this rice sometimes, and especially for this type of rice because it will absorb all the flavor very well. So let's, on high heat as usual, let it absorb all the starch and then reduce the heat for 20 minutes. Okay, so now you can see all the water is kind of become dry. Okay, now keep it low for 20 minutes. Here it is. So all the water has gone dry. So just pat it, everything, and then keep it low for 20 minutes. Now you can see this rice. I didn't put any cardamom, cinnamon cloves, just white, cilantro, and lemon. And we'll see after 40 minutes. That's our recipe for rice. Okay, now shutting it. For 20 minutes, keep it closed on low heat. Okay, so now it's, oh wow, look at this rice. It's the 20 minutes, our traditional recipe. 20 minutes, look at this rice. It's just divine. It smells of cilantro and all the spices. And divine, really good. Try this recipe. Hi guys, if you like this recipe, give us a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, the Topper Chef channel.